Mates rely on each other. Some mates are better than others. Some people we meet may want to become our friend, but take advantage of us instead.
I'll see you again.
See you again.
Bye then. Hello.
Hi.
I'm Elise. Come here first.
Over a period of time, once they've got to know you, some mates try to borrow expensive items like a phone or laptop or even money. They may even try to give you a less expensive item in return. They know they will never pay it back and will take more than £10 over time.
Hello. Hey! What's going on here?
A so-called mate may try to have parties in your own home. You don't want this to happen. Be careful, as this can affect you keeping your home. They will invite other people around, causing noise complaints, destroying property, making a mess and eating all your food, even using your money they've stolen to buy alcohol. Sometimes you just can't cope with this. It's too noisy and too messy for you. You don't know these people and they may not leave when you tell them. It may even lead to a mate abusing you in different ways. Your support worker is there to help and assist. He or she will call the police and help you tell the police what happened. Help is out there for you and you're not alone.
Steve,
What are you doing?
great.
No, you can't do
No,
it.
I'm saying no evidence. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
See it, hear it, report it, stop it.
Make crime. See it, report it, stop it.
Make crime. Hear it, report it, stop it.